Okay.
Go.
Hey guys, so I'm in the central part of Togo. How amazing and how cool that is. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm all dressed up like this and how I'm looking. Well, I'm going to tell you all about it very soon. Don't go anywhere. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to share. So let's go on to see where all this beauty is coming from. Let's go. So welcome to the Batik shop.
Voilà, elle c'est pour plus avant quoi. Au moins une femme le fait. Souvent on le fait puis on se partage la même pour aujourd'hui
Hey guys, I'm at Atelier Carrefour des Arts Sokode in Lamatesi. I'm looking here because I can't pronounce it often. Like, let me repeat the name to you again. Atelier Carrefour des Arts. Atelier Carrefour Arts. You know, Center of Arts. If you understand, you understand. And we are right here in Lamatesi with this young man right here who owns this place, and he goes by Apostle. Yes, I thought Atelier Carrefour is his name, but he goes by Apostle. And one thing so fascinating about him, I love his form of inspiration, because his form of inspiration comes from, you know, old artifacts that we barely see these days in 21st century. Let me put it that way. So he used these artifacts, like they're great and insightful, how do I put it, like meanings to his designs. I don't understand French, and he was speaking French all throughout. So if you want to find out more about it, go to my second city with Deladen, which is me, to know more if you understand the French. But God willing, I'll be putting English subtitles there for you to understand. Let's continue to look through more of his items. See, this is a handbag that you could take to the market. You could hold it easily like this, to the market. So easy like this. Go to the market and then you open it like this to shop for your items. And then there you go. Voila. See, let me show you the kind of items that I'm going. I'm putting this in. I'm putting this in. That should tell you that it can carry a lot of weight. You understand? Let me show you more of the items as well. I hope I didn't see. Look at that. I mean, you can put your money here, put your phone here. Even while your phone is here, you can still zip it up, or you can just open it to do your shopping and go your way. You can easily fold it. It's nothing difficult. Just 1, 2, 3, close it again, and then right here as well. See, as simple as that, and then you zip it up. If you want any of these items, all details will be in the description box for you to shop for it. Let's continue to explore more of his beautiful prints. No more, like, I don't know, but if you guys really understand the meanings to what he used in designing all these things, I'm sure you appreciate him doing all this business. And not only for himself, he also train young people to just design like him as well.
So like I mentioned earlier, in as much as he trains some of the kids to go into this art, he draws his inspiration from old adage, artifacts, buildings and all that, because he wants our culture to still stick with us. Do you get it? So these are some of the samples of his inspirational designs and prints he has done over the years. Yeah. this is a sandals that has been crocheted. This was done by one of his students. So any sales that is made here, made by a student, goes to the student. Yes.
Tu vois, je crée le logo, open.
So also, if you're an organization and you like to have a print for yourself with the batik, he is also able to do all that. So basically that was what he was talking about, some of the prints he has done for, you know, other organizations and all that. Yes, so hit up.
Before that, we are going to learn the process of how to make a batik for our own. I would love to, you know, have one of these meanings, or, you know, I've seen something that I like so much. This, I don't know, the whole Christianity, Muslim and Voodoo as one. I would love to have that as a dye for myself. You know, it's a significant meaning on its own. The map of Togo, I see something I really like it. I saw another design. Yo, see, that is for the Christmas. How cute is that? Like, it's so cute. Honestly, it's so cute. So, you know, just come get yourself something and let's go and learn. It's very important. Let's learn first.
So guys, the video on how to make this batik is quite a lengthy one, so it's going to be in my next video, okay?
So he's saying that probably in 2022 or 2023 or 2024 or 2025, he is going to use this calabash, you know, to create a new collection. I really can't wait to see what those collections are going to be, and I'm sure you too can't, and you definitely would like to make a purchase also. So you see, you now get why I say he always has a significant meaning in making his designs, and I'm sure you enjoyed the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Lorie Lawson. Like this video, and of course share. You know, let's spread the good word. Okay, let's spread the word, let's spread the love, and you know, I'll catch you some other. It's kind enough to give me this heart. He dashed it to me because, see, we are rocking it. Partagez la video, cha cha cha. Share the video, guys, quickly.